We are Strengthening Solutions.
And our goal is to provide secure, simplistic and sustainable systems using the latest ICT tech. Hi, my name is Joshua Bester. I'm studying BCom Informatics Information Systems. I'm mainly focused on Ionic front-end development as well as being a liaison between the system and business requirements. I also focus mainly on being the mediator within the group with people management and conflict management.
Hello, I am Lene Kiet and a current BCom Informatics student. I am the business analyst of the group, where I am responsible for analysing the client's needs. I document the system and its processes, assess the business model, identify vulnerabilities and devise solutions.
Hello, my name is George Liedo, studying BCom Informatics in my third year. This year I acted as the database specialist, ensuring that the data flowed logically and was encrypted where need be, as well as assisting with the documentation regarding the business flow.
I'm Shannon Noel. I study BCom Informatics, and throughout the project I focused on both documentation and development of our app. Something I found really challenging and enjoyable this year was gaining more confidence in my coding abilities. I am an all-round player and I tried getting the ball rolling first with my team.
I'm Luke Partridge. I'm studying BIT Information Systems. In this 370 project, I fulfilled the role of a full-stack systems developer. I worked on the front-end Ionic Angular, the back-end .NET 6 API, and managing the GitHub workflow. I was tasked with being the meeting coordinator that ensured fair delegation of the work and ensuring that we completed the tasks at hand in a timely manner.
Bester Strength and Conditioning is a private boutique studio gym that provides functional fitness services and the sales of gym-related merchandise. BSC has approached Strengthening Solutions to design a system that automates their manual and paper-based business operations. BSC would also like to sell its products, such as training services, merchandise, fitness supplements, and accessories using a BSC online shop. Therefore, Strengthening Solutions has developed a booking, scheduling, and sales system for BSC. We thank you for watching the Strengthening Solutions video demonstration of the BSC app. We have chosen to develop our application in Ionic Angular using Capacitor for the ability to produce a mobile application. The BSC gym consists of physical trainers who are iPad savvy, therefore we chose a mobile-first approach to play to the strengths of our client. This system has reduced the time spent on administrative tasks within the BSC gym and has made it a more effective experience for both BSC employees and customers. This video demo aims to provide you with a walkthrough of the system and its functionalities. The following page is a static web page detailing the BSC gym, the owner Neil Bester, and the contact specifics for the BSC gym. Let's have a look at the booking management menu item. When going into the booking management page, we can see three different tabs, namely Schedule Calendar, Booking Type, and Client Bookings. When looking at Schedule Calendar, the user can see a calendar of all the different dates and the events for that date in either a month, week, or day format. When the user clicks on a day with an event, the event will show at the bottom with its relevant information. A user can also create booking types on the system. A user can view booking types, update booking types, search booking types, and delete booking types. Let me take you through the process of creating a booking type. The user can add a new event to the system in the following manner. The user can go to the Client's Booking tab to see all the bookings that have been made by clients on the system. And they can track attendance for each booking that has been made. Let's have a look at the Employee Management menu item. Within the Employee Management page, there are 4 different tabs, namely Employee, Employee Type, Qualification, and Qualification Type. In each tab item, the user can perform create, update, search, and delete functionalities. Let me take you through the process of creating a new employee from the first step. Once the employee is created, they will receive an email from the BSC gym. This email will provide the employee with their BSC login email and system-generated password, which can be changed by the employee once logging in. I will now demonstrate logging in with the employee account we have just made. Using the password we have just been sent. Next, let's have a look at the exercises menu item. Within the exercises page, we can see 2 different tabs, namely exercise and exercise category. In each tab item, the user can perform create, view, search, and delete functionalities. Let me take you through the process of creating an exercise category and exercise on the system. Let's have a look at the lessons menu item. Within the lessons page, we see a list of cards displaying all the lessons that have been created within the system. Let me take you through the process of creating a new lesson on the system. The user will also be able to view different lessons, update different lessons, and delete various lessons. Let's have a look at the reports menu item. In the reports page, there are 5 different tabs, namely the trainer report, client report, booking report, sale report, and income report. In the income report, we can view yearly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, and half year on which products have made the most income for the BSC gym. When looking at the sale reports, we can go through yearly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, and half yearly on which products sold the most at the BSC gym. The client report will show the age distribution of our clients. The booking report will show who booked classes, how many classes did they book, and how many classes did they attend. The trainer report will also show how many lessons the trainer has made, and each report is downloadable by clicking on the download report button. Let's have a look at the sales management menu item. When on the sales management page, we can see 5 different tabs, namely sale item, sale category, refund reason, VAT, and write-off reason. For each tab, the user will be able to update, delete, view, search, and add each item. Let me show creating a sales item from the beginning. Because BSC is a distributor of Garmin watches, they do not list the Garmin prices on the shop. Therefore, we have given them the option to select if the item is quotable or not. Should the item be quotable, the cost price, selling price, and quantity on hand will be disabled. Looking at the stock menu item. When looking at the stock page, we can see a list of cards displaying all the times we have received stock from our suppliers. When on this page, the user will have the ability to view each instance where they receive stock from a supplier, as well as receive new stock. Let us receive stock from one of our suppliers. Let's have a look at the suppliers menu item. Within the supplier management page, we can see a list of cards with suppliers and their contact details. In this page, we can search suppliers, view suppliers, update suppliers, and delete a supplier. Let me take you through the process of creating a supplier on the system. We are using the Google Maps API to get the address. Looking at the user management menu item, we can see the user management page. Within the user management page, there are 2 tabs, namely clients and titles. Within titles, we can search titles, we can view titles, we can delete titles, or we can't delete titles because of association. And we can add titles. Let me take you through the process of creating a title. In the Clients tab, we can see all the users who have registered on the system. Here we can view the user, their email and cell phone number should we need to contact them. And here we can delete the user off the system should they leave the BSC gym. Let's look at the venue menu item. Within the venues page, we see a list of items displaying all the venues that have been created on the system. In this page, we can view each gym individually. We can search a venue. We can update a venue. And we can delete a venue. Let me take you through the process of adding a venue to the system. I'll proceed to log in as my team member, George Lietos. Who is registered on the system with the client's user role. Looking at the class bookings menu item. Within the class bookings page, the user can see two different tabs, namely event calendar and my bookings. Under the event calendar tab, the user can view the calendar of BSC events in three different methods, either by month, week, or day. When the user clicks on a day with an event, the event will be displayed at the bottom of the calendar. This can also be seen when going into week. You'll see each day with an event, as well as the events on each day. Should a user choose to add an event to their cart, they can either click on the event at the bottom and say add to cart, or they can swipe to add to cart. As you can see, the user has already made a booking for this day and therefore cannot make another booking. As you can see, the new booking event has been added to the cart. The user will also be able to go to the My Bookings tab to see all bookings that they have previously made. Each of these items will have the relevant information for each booking. The user will also be able to cancel bookings. In the shop menu item, we are now routed to the shop page. In the shop page, I can see all products that are sold by the BSC gym. I can either add an item to cart, or I can request for quote. When a user requests for a quote, an email will be sent to administrator as well as the customer. Once I've added items to the cart, I can then proceed to add more items within the cart or decrease items from my cart, and then proceed to checkout. Here we have implemented the Yoko Pay Gate. When clicking on the measurements menu item for a client can add measurements, and generate a performance report.